My name is AJ. I'm from Altoona. I completed the welding course at the GACTC in May of 2022. I needed a change in my life. I felt as though that I wasn't really doing as much. I needed to, make myself an asset to society and have a purpose in this world. I feel as though this GACTC saved my life, because had I not have gone, I probably would have been on the street somewhere doing something I shouldn't have been doing. Now that I have this routine, I make good money, I can provide, and I can inspire people who are just like me. I've had, honestly, nothing but good memories in not only this building, but this room. Memories of dedication and hard work. You get from this program as much as you put in. And I'm seeing the benefits today. I'm excelling in my work. I love my job. It's so fun. I learn things every day. I love the challenge, and I love achieving something you've worked hard for, right after. It just makes it feel so much better that, wow, I did that. The industry itself could never really die, in my opinion, because we always need welders. Stuff needs built. The company I work for, we build support systems, rafters, beams, and stuff of that nature. You will never be out of work with the welding program. I would really recommend getting a trade, because it's about what shows up on the resume. When you have certifications and diplomas, that shows your employer that you have the drive and you have the routine and you have the discipline to show up on time. What's so good about the GACTC is that, in the field I work in, you don't necessarily need to go to school for it. It's a blessing to have gone to school here, because, there's instances where someone may not know how to read a print. That's where I come in. I've already studied for that done test. This is fluent to me. I can read these things. So it gives you a bit of an advantage.